I got a EBS recall and some misfire, and then you just gonna...
Once you get an update from them, let us know here in the office.
Yes, perfect. Thank you. I'm just gonna ask you to cancel first for any schedule that I have. I'll let you know.
Right now they've got you penciled in for Tuesday.
Okay, Pennsylvania.
But yeah, no, going to Nampa, Idaho.
Wow!
Ayan guys, nag-text yung aking dispatch. When you are getting your truck fixed, sabi niya. Patawagan ko siya para malaman natin. I'm gonna call, okay?
Hello.
Hello sir, good afternoon. Happy New Year.
Happy.
Yeah, happy. Yeah, I just drop off my truck in Volvo right now, and then they bring it inside now in the shop. So I got a EBS recall and some misfire, and then you just gonna...
Once you get an update from them, let us know here in the office.
Yes, perfect. Thank you. I'm just gonna ask you to cancel first for any schedule that I have. I'll let you know.
Right now they've got you penciled in for Tuesday.
Okay, Pennsylvania.
But yeah, no, going to Nampa, Idaho.
Okay, we will see. I'll let you know.
We'll find out Monday. You'll get a better idea.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
All right, thanks, bud.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ayun guys, kinancel ko muna yung mga biyahe ko kasi siyempre nasa ano pa yung truck eh. Malalaman pa natin hanggang sa matapos. Mar!
Hey.
Good morning! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Yeah.
Check for recalls. Cool. Let's get her plugged in.
Yes, sir. Do what we gonna do. Ayan. Dito kami ngayon sa Canadian Tire. Kanina, inaayos na ni Mrs. yung loob ng truck para dire-diretso na. Tulungan ko si Mrs. na ihahagis. Sige, hagis mo na rito.
Kasi hindi sila kasya eh.
Huwag mo nang papasukin yung mga bata. Alis din naman tayo. Yung karton wag mong itatapon Han kasi gagamitin ko yun pag inayos ko yung ayun yung mga napulot kong karton na yan. Oh, hindi ko makita yung yung para sa clip ng aking baka nandun sa bahay yan. Sige, ayusin mo muna ta bago ko dalhin yung susi doon. Bago ko iwanan. May spire daw yung problema.
Ha?
May spire. Mga code ayusin nila.
Reset lang nila.
Hindi ko alam Han kung anong gagawin. Wala nga dito. Baka nandun sa bahay. Sige. Misfire. Nandito naman itong mga anak ko. Gustong bumili ng kanilang mga iPhone. Your money is not cheap enough. Parang ano mo. Kala mo naman.
I actually want to buy Robux.
Kaya ko naman bilan itong mga to pero ng iPhone at bagong gadget kaso ayaw ko guys kasi alam niyo sa totoo lang huwag natin sanayin ng mga anak natin sa mga bagong gadget huwag natin sanayin ng mga bata sa mga bagong gadget ayaw rin ni Mrs. guys yung mga bagong gadget but anyway guys at least kahit pa paano nakanselado na ito abangan na lang natin yung susunod na kabanata. Eh kami ay mag-happy muna ng mga bata. Roblox, mami
Wala mountain tape.
Ano ba yung nahanap niya Han?
Not the same no.
Han?
Nanotape daw.
So, okay na?
Wala.
Is that
Ano bang itsura ng nanotip na yun Han?
It's tape.
Ha?
this feels not thick. Nanotape is like this thick. Nanotape is like this thick.
Did you see that in YouTube?
What do you mean? I searched it up.
No, where did you seen that? Pagkaso.
I I didn't see it. I searched it
How
up.
come you know it?
I searched it up.
How you search it up?
Yeah.
Maybe we can
Google?
order in the ano na lang.
I don't want to.
You want right now?
You want right now?
Hanapin mo.
I want it right now.
Pagtanong tayo.
Randomly.
Dito ba dapat mabibili?
Oh, dito lang yun eh. Try me to si nanotape in here.
What's it?
Silicone tape.
You want to search in my phone? You want to look up? Hold on. Just gonna put the internet
You.
in my phone.
Pwede din siyang mag-drafting kasi.
Doon sa nanotape?
Yeah.
There. Search in there. If you know. If you search it up, then yeah, show it to mom. Is nanotape in Canadian Tire. Hinahanap niya yung nanotape sa Canadian Tire. You're looking up in Canadian Tire?
Yeah.
We can ask the lady.
Dito siya.
Huh? We can ask the lady. So ano? Net bagay?
Robux.
Robux. Ayan, palahan.
They sell nanotape.
Ito, ilagay mo sa image. Ayan, image. Go to image. There. There. No, Steve Browser. Those are the nanotape?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so.
this is the one.
I thought it looks like this. Oh yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah. Oh.
I'll ask
Ah,
the.
meron pala ganun. Max,
Here,
tanong
try
natin.
this one.
Ito.
Sun Max.
Ay, hindi. Hindi. Hindi rito yan. Yan, nahanap ni Clark. Yan pala eh. Yan pala eh. Guys. Did you show it to them?
It looks like this, right?
Oh yeah.
Is that for kids? Galing din to si Clark eh. Maghanap ng mga... What is that used for, Clark?
It's for like, it's kind of like adhesive to hold stuff up.
Do you have?
I'll see.
Yes, please. Okay, go. Give me the phone.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Ayan pala eh. Right behind you. Nandun pala eh. Oh, right there, Clarky. Nanotape. So you look it up, Clark, in the Google or in the where to buy? You're such a nice girl.
Thank you.
Ang galing mo ah.
Thank you.
How much is it?
$6
It's only $6.
$6? Wait, I thought
No.
that was.
Pay it in the ano.
Ah, wait.
Thank you so much.
May pera siyang naaginalduhan ni Clark yun eh. Aginalduhan ni Clark. Let's go.
Bibili pa ako ng side mirror.
Oh, sige han.
Mga maliliit.
Oh, sige. Tara. Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Sabay kape.
I'll pay with the money.
Yeah, mommy, give it to mom. You will go later. Give your money to them. Okay? How about you, Tinil? You're not buying anything? Saving your money? How much money you have? 150. 150, okay.
I'm Among Us.
Baki has 390, yeah. Ate Clark has 60. Okay, that's good.
I'm not sure how much money I did. I only counted the paper money, not the coins.
Save your
I don't know how to
other
count
money, okay?
coins. I don't know how to count coins.
Save your other money. Oh, ba't? Ano ba naman to si Baki?
Patikot muna kayo. Tika lang.
Hindi, okay lang.
Aisle 4.
I'll go.
Clark has a lot of money. How many money do you have?
7.
How many money you have left?
7,
Clark,
65 more cents.
how many money? You dropped $20. You wanna drop $20?
So that's 25, 45, 65. Yeah, I'm really gonna need them.
80, 90. You still have 90.
90. Hold it.
Put it back inside.
I need.
Bakit mo naghiwalay pag mawala ka ng $50
Sa mga bag.
Need to.
Naghihiwalay yung pera niya. Ay, ito, Tinil.
Here's
Your receipt. Grab your receipt. Okay.
Do you
Oh,
have
let's go. That's good?
Yeah.
You have everything yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Meron
I'll probably
kang-
probably next day I'll probably buy something again.
Next day?
I mean, no, not next day. Probably like in my birthday I'll buy something.
Birthday, okay. Magastos ka, isa ka rin eh. Pero sumagastos.
Oh, what's that?
You buy too much.
Well, not
Kailangan mo rin naman to. Han magastos daw si bibili ulit sa birthday niya.
Kaya yan, hindi nakakaipon.
Hindi nakakaipon.
Siya lang hindi nakakaipon.
Okay, just salis na kami. Tara, let's go.
Yeah, si Nel too.
Even si Nel?
Used to be daw, sabi niya. Pero,
Ah, si hi to camera here, say hi. Hi nga lang sa camera eh. Kakulit. Let's go. Halinisin mo maigi. Mayroon ka sanang alcohol pa. Yung malinis na malinis talaga. Patingin nga, sa may lalagay.
yan na ang ano ko eh. Tatry ko muna.
O, yan.
Parang dito tayo sa ano eh.
Saan pa paano mo yung ano? Oh, saan mo ilagay? Pisto mo. Ganyan ba? Ganyan, di dito.
O, dito.
Oh,
Dito
yan.
sa ano.
Yan, ganyan. Baka matanggal yan. Hindi mo lininis may tama na yan.
Oh,
Okay na yan. Oh. Hindi natanggal. Magnet ba to?
hindi.
Hindi mo pa tinanggal eh.
Natanggal lahat.
Hindi,
Didikit lang.
Meron pa.
Ayan na yan. Oh, dumikit na yan.
Marumi oh. Dapat di mo na ano. Kailangan meron kang anuhan. Meron kayong tawag nito, yung alcohol wipes dyan. Ay hindi, mag-ano pala.
Okay na yan. Sige. Malinis naman na. Didikit lang yung ano. Didikit.
Para makita mo. Malalaglag lang yan. Dapat sa summer mo ilagay yan. Meron pa naman tayong pang tip doon. Hindi magdidikit pa. Alisin mo muna doon sa bayan, baka malaglag yan.
Mommy, why did you put it down? You should put it in the top.
O, sige, ilagay mo.
Ano ba?
Ilagay mo kung titistingin mo ba sa bahay na.
Kaya nga, testing ko nga ngayon.
O, sige.
Kung wala, bibili na lang na ano. Hindi masyadong nadikit pa.
O, meron na bibiling ano, meron sa bahay. Nabili ko o kaya sa truck.
Meron, give me that one. Sinin.
Nanotech.
Hindi maano, hindi ma...
Wala kang pamutol. Sa bahay na lang, Han.
Oh, yeah.
Bahay na lang kasi wala kang pamutol din eh. Tara guys, binili ni Miss, maliit na side mirror niya pala. Para sa ganun eh, ano, lilinisin mo yan, Han, malinis na malinis. Kasi yung mga, ano, yan ang magpapatanggal yan. Tatanggal talaga yan, hindi ka nila bibigyan ng madikit na yan. Ang ginagawa nga eh, yung dinidikit dito ng bilog, meron ako sa ano eh, gorilla tip eh. Gorilla tip.
Mommy! I'm just telling you to turn off the music.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, let's go home. Yes! Yan. At, syempre, mami pa rin ng driver, which is perfect. Sa Sipway na lang kami bibili ng Roblox ni Bake. Magastos to si Bake. Roblox, alam, sino maglalaro dito ng Roblox guys? Bibili ng damit. Yan. Okay, pera naman yun. Pero pinagbabawalan pa rin naman namin. Hindi rin maganda yun ha. Kung yung pera niya, bili lang niya sa mga Roblox na ganyan.
Bucky's just gonna buy a game pass and that's it.
It's not healthy.
How is it not healthy?
Yeah, why you buying your money into Roblox?
It's not. It's.
Oh, what?
It's like not healthy, but it just a game.
Are you on Roblox?
It's just
Yeah, it's a game. Why you buying the game? Why you spending money into a game?
It's called game.
Try lang niya. First time pa naman niyang bumili.
First time na. Kaya nga sinasabi ko nga dito na ano,
Then that's the first and the last time back, okay?
hindi naman namin sila minamante. Hindi namin sila Kumbaga sa ano, hinahayaan. Pagbigyan natin ngayon. Kasi ganyan talagang bata eh. Kung ano-ano lang mga ano eh. Yung Roblox kasi ano dun eh. Malakas kasi ngayon yung games na yan, di ba? Pati mga damit, siyempre mga kung anong gusto, customize mo yung damit ng yung player o yung ginagamit mo lagi yun. Ay nako. Bangga ano? Tupasan mo. Ay tama. Oh, wakwak. Warak.
Ano yun, pagkaganyan.
Warak no? Warak. Alright guys, let's go.
Masyado yun.
Nana?
Malakas.
Malakas masyado no? Hindi ka na dapat sana din na drive kung kapag malakas masyado, pag lumabas ang airbag, hindi na pwedeng i-drive yun. Kasi airbag na yung lumabas eh. Alright, let's go. Malamig ngayon guys, pero wala siyang snow. Hindi siya nag-snowfall. But anyway, yun. Tara, let's pagits. Did you buy your thing, Clark? Oh yeah, Clark is happy ah. Si Clark masaya eh.
I'd like to eat it.
Nabili niya yung kanyang nanotape. Ewan ko sa bata niya kung paano niya gagawin niya.
Crafting siya.
Pang crafting?
Yeah,
Okay.
I like crafting.
Please.
I like turtles. I like Sonics.
Okay. Yeah!
Ate Sina lang good
Masaya
job
si
ngayon, hindi bibili.
Ate Sinel is doing a great job already. Hindi siya bumili sa pera niya. You're saving it, Nel?
Sonics.
For what?
For an iPad.
iPad? Okay.
Yeah, and then
We'll see
and
if
I'll
we
give
can
my
add
mom-
on another $200 in your birthday. That's perfect. Right, Han?
Oh,
I'll give some of my money.
pera na
Dagdagan na
lang,
lang
plus
natin.
sabihan natin yung mga
So he
ate,
can
pera na
buy
lang. Mas gusto kasi nila yung pera.
I think.
Dagdagan na lang.
Nasi-save nila. Hindi naman natin ginagastos yun kasi pera nila yun.
Tama. Pera nila.
Doesn't that cost $400? No. Huh? The iPad.
Okay guys, nandito kami sa Dalarama ngayon. Ito si Baki, hindi mapakali. Baki, where are you?
Bakit gusto pa na?
Gusto talagang magpabili ng ano eh, mag-Roblox niya eh. Come now.
You coming? No, I'm going.
Hurry. Ay, pabagal-bagal. Nagpunta na sila, mami kaganina dun. Saan kayo pumunta? Sipway? Wala no. Sipway, wala. Dito, umiiyak eh. Roblox na yan talaga. This is the last time, hurry up. Yan, pagalitan mo talaga yan. Kasi kung hindi, masasanay na yan sa kakagastos sa Roblox niya. Let's go. That's the last time, okay? Galing-galingan mo, bakit? Ni, pailing-iling, ibig sabihin ayaw niya na last time ha.
See,
Yan?
$15.
Oh, $15, 250. Ano yung 250? Ano?
Hanggang 250.
$15 to 250? Okay. Oh, $15 lang. Okay.
Give me your money.
Where's your money? Ito talaga ha. Kompleto ka. Yan. Let me see. Now you're happy?
Yeah.
You're happy.
Yay!
Loko ka talagang bata. Kiss papa. Kulit-kulit mo. Let's go, bayaran na. Talaga ikaw, bakit? Tignan mo. Nadadagdagan na yun, oh. Insert cash. Puro barya yung pera ni Baki. Your money is all coins, ha? Lima pa.
Hey,
No!
get that one back eh.
No!
Pick it up. That's your money. Lima pa.
Get over there, stay there, sulat mo yun eh.
Ilaglag mo nung ilaglag, ha? Tapos babaryan ka naman niya, eh. 195 pa. Teka. O, inaano niya. 140, 135. May barya kang 35 cents. 10 cents. Bigyan mo yung 10.
Okay na.
Oh, eksakto? Okay. Oh, let's go. Baki.
Sanap na nak.
Sanap,
Get
oh,
your
okay.
receipt.
Yung receipt. Yan. Okay guys, tara. Talaga naman ito si
Let's
Baki. Give me 5. High 5. Masaya sa Roblox niya.
Okay, picture ano? I cannot take that one. Come here. Here.
Are you happy with your Roblox? Hurry up, ate. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Tuwan-tuwa si Baki sa kanyang Roblox. Magabang-abang na lang tayo guys. Minisits na ako nung Bieber. Sabi niya, binigay na sa akin yung mga dapat kong dapat nila daw gawin. In-email sa akin. Ito yung text nila guys sa akin from Bieber Truck Center, Winnipeg. Volvo Unit 2098, serial number, NN, etc. Status check-in, note asset check-in. Yes! Update. Here is a list of the Check 22 report. Please let us know if you want any of these jobs added to today's visit. Audible, air leak at firewall and near batteries. Air filter very dirty and sign of damage replaced. Exhaust leak at diffuser outlet begin the turbo. Diagnose need to remove to see why it's leaking. Timing plate is leaking on the passenger upper side. EV light on, diagnose. Right side upper work light is not working, diagnose. License plate light not working, diagnose. Chassis harness rub through at second axle. Can see corroded wire, could be related to EBS. Transmission output seal weeping. Trans level is still okay. Oil filter tube leaking at oil pan. Driver side steer axle shock loose at lower mount. Washer nozzle spray. Pattern is weak. Tapos ito pa yung extra gagawin guys. Ito yung mga in-email sa akin na extra na gagawin guys. Tignan nyo. From Karen Roth ng Bieber yan. Nestor, a lot of these things need to be diagnosed. You would need to allow 2 hours, $402 to diagnose each fault to determine what repair is required and cost. Audible, air leak at firewall, near batteries, exhaust leak, diffuser outlet, timing plate is leaking on the passenger upper side, EV is light on, license plate light not working, chassis harness rub through at second axle can see corroded wires, transmission output seal. Oil fill tube leaking at oil pan. Washer nozzle spray pattern is weak. Ayan, ipinakita ko sa inyo. Woo! Alright guys, ayan. Tayo sa bahay na. Nakapag-bihis na ako at nag-relax na kami ni Mrs. Yan sa... nakita nyo naman kung ano yung gagawin. Dadayognosin pa yon. Yung diagnostic. Akalain mo, ang isang oras ng labor nila guys. Isang oras lang ang labor nila, $201. Ang labor ng Volvo, kamahal. Wow! Pero wala tayong magagawa kailangan kong dalhin sa Volvo yung truck ko. Gawa nga lang sa truck, hindi naman nila kayang ayusin kasi nga Peterbilt sila. Ang truck ko is Volvo. Mahal ang labor ng Volvo. Sabado, Linggo, wala silang opisina. So, na-check-in natin ng Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, nandun yung truck. Bukas pa nila, Lunes, start, asikasuhin, i-update pa nila ako ulit. Ngayon, dito kami ni Mrs. Nag-enjoy muna tayo ng home time, manunod kami ng Netflix. Nag-tsaka kami at nagkape at kumain kami nung kasaba cake. Wow! Wala kaming alak, hindi na kami uminom ni Mrs. kasi tapos na yung holiday, tapos na yung pa-shot-shot. Time naman yung parang magbawas na ulit tayo ng tabang kinain. Siyempre nag-litson tayo. Ayan guys isang buong litson.
Wow! Pasok natin doon. Sige mo tayo doon.
Kung ano-ano naman nung New Year. But anyway, yun nga yung point ko. Pinakancel ko muna yung mga biyahe ko. Gawa nga ng siyempre, hindi pa tapos ang truck. Ayan, habang naghihintay, ito. Mag-Netflix kami ni Mrs. Update na lang guys until sa susunod nating video vlog kung anong mangyayari. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. It's Lakay Trucker here. Dito si Mrs. Nagpapasalamat sa panonood sa mga vlog ng Lakay Trucker YouTube channel. Alright guys, peace out. Bye. Love you all guys. Happy New Year. Lakay Trucker.